Inserting a right arrow in Excel can be done in several ways depending on whether you want a graphical object or you can move around or a simple character inside a cell. So if you want a professional looking arrow that you can resize, color and drag anywhere on the sheet, then go to the insert and click on the illustrations, click on the shapes and pick the arrow and now hold the shift key and drag the mouse to the right side to insert the arrow. Right click, go to the shape format and change the color of the arrow to red. You can increase or decrease the transparency, increase the width, and here is the sketch style and this is the compound style. You can select the double line arrow or this is another. Even you can select the dash. Now click it and you can move it anywhere on the cells. If you have a numeric keypad on your keyboard, you can use the Alt codes to insert arrows instantly. Hold the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad, press 2, 6 and release the Alt key. Make sure this works using the number pad on the right side of your keyboard, not the number above the letters. If you want an arrow to appear based on a calculation example, if a status column says complete, you can use a formula. Put the equal sign, type unichar, open the bracket, type 8594 and close the bracket, hit enter. There is another way you can use the emoji. For this you need to press the window key and semicolon key to open the emoji panel. Click on the search icon and type arrow and here you can see the different types of arrows. You just need to click it and here it is. So with these methods you can easily insert right arrow in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.